What's going on, everybody? TG here, back with another video. Hit that subscribe button. Let's just jump right in. It's not a good video. This is not the type of video that we like to be posting, but it's needed. Guys, I'm scrolling through Wall Street Bets, one of my favorite hobbies to do at night, checking out how my other boys are doing in the market. I don't like what I see. I'm seeing 99% down every single post. And there's a common theme on these. I want to know if you guys can catch up that it. You guys can really find out what that is. But we're going to go through them right now. And I want to show you guys first my portfolio and what it looks like and the diversification, etc., etc. Now you see the chart. Okay. It's a pretty solid up chart. Little bit of down here, but pretty solid. Look at all time. This is bad. Right here, this little M shape right here, that's bad. We don't like that. This is when we were trading options, okay? Buying calls, buying puts. This is when we switched to Theta Gang. We switched to Theta Gang on, I think, the 27th exactly. It's been going pretty good ever since. So it's about a year and a half worth of trading. This is about a couple months worth of trading. Obviously, like June 27th. But forget that. I want to show you guys a couple things. I want to go over a couple things. So we hop right over here in the Wall Street Bets. Here's our first position. Ravine. Now, I don't know if anyone can see anything wrong with this particular position. It's not as bad as some of the other ones because he does have shares. We like equity, long equity, not option equity. Okay? He's down 50K in about 2 days. This is not good either. 99.85% into one position. We don't really like that too much unless it's Amazon or Apple. Okay. PLTR, love the company, but it's a little risky. But that's the first example. Let's look at this one. I'm going homeless. This is not a joke. Rocket emoji, rocket emoji. Smooth underscore ad 6324. That's not a good week. All right, that's not a good year. That's not a good all time. Okay. Right there. That's another one. Okay. Oh. A Webull this time. We love Webull, by the way. Link in the description below. Sign up on Webull. 2 free stocks. We don't like this either. Okay. Not a huge fan. He does have some shares, so not too bad, but that option is kind of screwed. If I'm not gonna lie, that option probably is screwed with a December 18th strike price, and we're sitting at December 2nd, so maybe, I don't know, 33 strike price. It's at 22. I don't know. Let's move on to the next one. It's not a good 3-month chart. He was actually up pretty big as well. He must have been up a lot. So, just another one. It's moving on. That was Batman, by the way. Bruce Wayne. Another guy. Oh, another week. Another bad week for some people. $40,000. Average median salary. U.S. Oh, right there. Okay. This guy was up 33K at one point. Don't know what's going on here. 99.84. $30 left. I think it's about time to hit the bell. I'm gonna be honest with you. I think it's about time to hit the bell on that one. But what's going on? That's the question. What is going on and what is happening? The answer is, it's a very simple answer. It's a very, very simple answer. Do not put all of your money into calls or puts expiring in a couple days or a couple weeks on one stock, especially a stock that has run up like 300% in the past month. Guys, oh my God. Look, as someone who has lost a lot of money playing the whole puts game or the calls game very, very fast, as you can see, April 30th on top of the world, June 30th at the bottom. That's not good at all. That is not good at all. But you know what? We had to learn. And some of you have a chance to learn. And I'm going to try to help because I am not a big fan of seeing this. I'm really not a big fan of seeing this at all. You know, these are not good. And there's a common theme. If you guys haven't noticed the common theme, it's PLTR. Now, I made a video. I like PLTR. I think PLTR is a great company. It's also had an extraordinary run-up. We go ahead and look at PLTR. You know, you're gonna see a very, very nice chart for PLTR in the past year or 3 months, whatever. Look at that. It's a big 190% at one point, a little more actually, and then it has a pullback. Like, guys, it's important. It's important to know risk management. Like, people gotta ask, do you like being rich? Do you like having money? I would hope that answer is yes. If you do, you have to learn a couple things. Now, I'm not going to try to be like some, broker out here telling you guys what to do with your money, but I also want you to keep your money. We want people in the market. I want to see more people on Wall Street Bets making plays. We can't have that if you're all losing all your money, okay? It makes for some good loss point, but that's about it. But we really got to discuss how to really, build your wealth up the smart way and not, maybe putting over $200,000 into one company. It's shares, so I'm not as mad as that guy. Some of these guys I am pretty pissed at. Come on, man. Some of these guys have made some terrible, terrible plays. Look, I love Wall Street Bets. I was actually on Wall Street Bets, by the way, because I actually had a really, really bad play. I do got to show you guys this. Let me move this camera over here for a second. My name on here is Investor Salone. I don't know why. That used to be what my YouTube name was going to be, but then we had to switch it. But let me find it. I posted a lot of stuff on here before, right here. Like a bear too early, a bull too late. Shows how I lost 14K, 30% of my entire portfolio in a month. This is my wake-up call. Everyone has their wake-up call. I had to have my wake-up call. 3% phone battery, by the way. People were pretty pissed about that. And I had to really learn the hard way by losing all that much money to understand that. But I cannot stress enough how important that is, as being one of you guys. I want y'all to succeed, and that's one of the reasons I made this YouTube video. I want you guys to succeed. And while it is comical to see some of this loss, it's sad as well. Especially I see some people, I was talking to one of the guys in the Discord who had just lost 50K on Wall Street Bets. It's sad. I really feel bad. I was actually up late last night, thinking about that. Man, if I lost my entire portfolio, this took me you don't know how many years this took to build up. How many long hours of work, freaking 7 hours in a row, grinding, saving, not going out, doing all this stuff to finally get to that much money, and then losing it so quickly. It's hard. It's hard. So what I'm gonna urge you, diversification in maybe less risky stocks. And if you're going to go in risky stocks, maybe do shares, go long equity rather than, just putting it all into Faggy D's, because we don't really want to see that, to be honest with you. But it's obviously it's personal preference. If you want to keep your money, probably do that. I mean, you have a chance of hitting a home run. I've seen some guys, make 6 figures on PLTR calls, because they get it at the right time before it explodes. You don't want to start putting it after it explodes, because, when people start selling, what happens? You lose. So we don't want to see that. I'm looking out for you guys, one of you, but I also want you to succeed. And, it's just rough. It's rough to see, and I hope this video can shed a little bit of light, a little bit of a wake-up call. If you're thinking about doing something risky now, maybe do only 10% of your portfolio, 20% of your portfolio. Maybe 100% of your portfolio on calls expiring the next week maybe isn't the best idea. Maybe. But like I said, that's up to you guys. It's up to you. It's your money in the end. You do whatever you want with it. But if you like being rich, if you like having some sort of wealth, maybe follow some of this advice. It could help you out. It's definitely helped me out. Like I said, from someone that was up there and lost it all, had to make his way back. It's not fun, but, it's what's needed to get the job done. So I'm playing Theta Gang. I'm Theta Gang for life now, and hopefully it's gonna make me 6 figures in a couple months. So, anyways, guys, If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. Be cautious out there, you know. Don't blow up your account too quickly. But anyways, guys, love you all. Take it easy. Bye.